IKEA Boomerang Skirt Hanger. This $1.49 hanger, specially shaped for skirts, the clips can be adjusted to suit your needs. Keeps clothes wrinkle-free and helps them keep their shape. Hanging up your clothes makes your wardrobe neater, and it's easier to find the garment you're looking for. Taking good care of your clothes is an easy way to make them last longer, while taking care of our planet. Product dimensions: max width 36 centimeters. This hanger is specially shaped for skirts, but is just as suitable for trousers. Part of the Boomerang series, hangers that help you take care of your clothes.